So I've been talking about this sync system with Hypertherm. So this is a sync reader and it runs about 50 bucks. It's going to make evaluating things a lot easier. And if you had to communicate with our tech support and you were trying to diagnose anything, having one of these sync readers is going to make it a lot easier for us to help you. It comes with this little silicone band to keep up with it. I just slide it over the pole mount on my masso control. So to take a reading here, I'm first going to set my torch to the safety. Again, if you show the yellow it's on safe, not something you have to do, but I think it's a good habit. I'm just going to pop off this ohmic ring and just a little bitty turn, and I've got my sync cartridge off. So these cartridges, everything's built in. You've got the nozzle and the swirl ring and all that built in. So to take a reading, all you do, take this, stick it in the back there. It doesn't snap in or anything, you just hold it to the back. All right, I'm gonna whip out my phone and pull up this Hypertherm app, and from here I just scan now. It tells you exactly what you need to do. I'm going to start the scan, and you've kind of got to get it in the right place in your phone. Boom, it's already picked that up. I'll tell it I'm done, and from here I can look at everything and see all the data, like what's my arc on time, what faults has it detected. It's a really useful tool to maximize your consumable life and to be able to relay information to tech support should you need it.